Good evening to everyone. My name is Nitin Kumar, a graduate in electrical engineering from IIT Delhi. So I am here on SBR Talk today to discuss about electrical engineering. What are the career options available for electrical engineer and why you should opt for electrical engineering. Okay, so it's a lockdown here. JEE Advanced exam is extended, I think till August or September. So mostly by December, October, you will be done with all your exams and you will be given a choice to opt for the branch. So maybe this video will help you to remove your doubts related to electrical engineering, why you should join electrical engineering. So first of all, what is electrical engineering? So it's a very broad branch which deal with the study and application of electricity, electronics, electromagnetism. Okay, so it's a very broad branch. It's still divided into many sub branches. For example, power engineering, control engineering, electronics engineering, microelectronics, signal processing, telecommunication engineering, instrumentation engineering, and some more are there. I think optical engineering, distribution engineering. So if you see, computer engineering also is a part of electrical engineering. Okay, where like CSE right was basically from computer engineering only. So it's a very broad branch. So when you go to college in India, basically when you go to college to pursue electrical engineering, in first year most of your college courses are same for all the branch. Whether you are in electrical, computer science, mechanical, civil, you have to do same courses first year. Second year for electrical engineering student, they will start teaching basic courses of electrical engineers. Okay, some basic core courses which you should know being electrical engineer. Then they will give you choice, like they will give some freedom that you can choose from these courses from other departments, and definitely you have to do some courses of computer science department also, because electrical engineering is not complete without programming, because it was also part of electrical engineer before, right? So definitely you have to do some coding, and if you are interested, if you love coding, you can do more courses in that department, so which will help you definitely in placements, like in terms of making money, it will help you. Okay, so once you are electrical engineer, I'm not talking completely in details, I'm talking in a broad way, like in a way so that you will get that your confusion will be cleared, that will what are the career options for me when I'll be completing my electrical engineering, and which branch to choose, why I should choose electrical engineering. Okay, so suppose once you are electrical engineer, there are many career options available to you. First one, you can go for coding, which is CSE student go. You can definitely go there. The field will be open to you if you are good in coding. Definitely the offer for you are not less than a computer science department student. They are equally same. Okay, maybe some plus minus difference, hardly, very less difference. So even right now in IT sector you will find 30% electrical engineers. Okay, but good part is if you don't love coding, you can switch to different careers also, which a computer science department student difficult for him to switch, right? Coming to other options, the very important options other than coding is you can serve your country by being a IAS officer. Okay, Indian Engineering Service, you can join that. Okay, CSE students can't join that using CSE department. Maybe they can join, but they have to learn some other branch, like they can join through mechanical or electrical, but they can't join through CSE computer science. You can. Okay, suppose you don't want to go there, there are many PSUs, public sector undertakings, which is like mix of public plus private companies, but life is job are secure there. Okay, you can go there. You have to clear exam, you have to clear gate. If you got a good rank, gate basically you can clear after your BTech or while doing your MTech, you can clear the gate, and then you can, if you are getting a decent rank, you can go for these PSUs like Power Grid, your State Electrical Corporations Limited, BHEL, many are there. You take the name IOCL, many are there. Okay, you can go there. You can they'll offer a very good salary to you. You can go there. After that, suppose you want to do something of your own, you don't want to work under someone. Okay, you want to do of your own, you can do that. You can learn that thing and you can do that. Okay, after that, if you want to go abroad to pursue your higher studies, you can do that. Electrical engineer is treated very well outside. Many options to do MS or to PhD. Okay, so many options are available to electrical engineer. You can do that. You want to work in your core sector. Core basically means your area of expertise, what you learn in your BTech. Okay, you can go to companies like General Motors, a core electrical company. Okay, General Motor is there, then Texas Instrument is there, you can work there. they'll, okay, you can do research there in those companies, they'll pay you very good salary. Okay, so there are many career options available to you. Okay, even if you don't want to work there, you can switch to different field. Like I changed to teaching, being my passion being teaching, you can change. Definitely it will help. Like I learned so many things in electrical engineering which I feel teaching to students now, I feel teaching that thing to students very easy, be it maths or physics. It is very easy for me because I have learned so many things in electrical engineering which makes these things easy for me to explain to students right now. Okay, definitely it will help, it is going to help. So now if you, yes, you must have heard cars are coming, self-driving car, electrical cars, right? Diesel is very expensive, petrol is very expensive. So that is the area, right? That will be the life after I think 10 years. Everything will be on electricity. So your demand will increase definitely 100%. Okay, so you can join that. So definitely there should be a second thought. There shouldn't be a second thought if you are getting a chance to join electrical engineering. Coming to suppose sir, electrical or CSC, which one to join? Okay, if you love coding, want to make money, okay, definitely go for CSC. If you are confused, like I don't know whether I love coding or not, go for electrical engineering. Because if you got to know after 2 years that I want to go for coding, you can switch. You can learn all the coding courses and definitely you can switch to coding field, and definitely you can make equal, you can get same salary as a CSC student will get. Some plus minus difference definitely, but definitely you can, if you are good in that, definitely you can overcome his, okay, you can cross him definitely if you love that job. Okay, if you love coding, clear, that is very important. So I hope this video will make clear. You can work anywhere, you can work in any sector. Like you take the name in that sector, electrical engineer has to be there in any sector, right? Coming to highways, definitely electricity wires, how to adjust, like where to put, who will help? Electrical engineers will help, right? So you take the name in every field, electrical engineer is required. So there is no doubt, or there is not to worry about your career options being electrical engineering. Okay, if you are electrical engineer, there are many career options available too. There will be many students want to go for robotics, definitely they can go for robotics. This will help, electrical engineering department will help you. You take the name and electrical engineer will be there. So I hope I'm giving you only broad outlines because I can't tell you about, there are many jobs. Every year some new jobs are created for electrical engineer. I can't tell the names of all the jobs, and you can see, right, the world is of electrical engineers now. So don't have a doubt. Okay, but I told, if you love coding, you can go for CSC. If you don't love coding, you can go for electrical engineering. If you loved coding after 2 years, you can switch to coding. Okay, you can switch to coding career. Otherwise you have so many options available to you which are definitely not available for a CSC guy. Okay, so personally I feel CSC electrical engineering is better than other branches. Personally, me being electrical engineering, and it is my honest review, I'm not biased toward electrical engineering. This is, I'm very happy I was getting a chance to opt for CSC in IIT Roorkee, but I chose electrical engineering in IIT Delhi, and I'm very happy about the decision. It is definitely, I'm very happy. Okay, so if you have a doubt, you can comment in the comment section. Definitely I will help you, I will tell you, okay, that which branch is better. College also matter, it is not only the branch, definitely college also matter. So where you are getting which branch also matter. So you can ask me, sir, this college is this branch, definitely you comment in the comment section. I am going to help you, because this confusion will come, because you being a student, it was to me also, but I need to do lots of research. So definitely I can give you my experience. So you can ask me this branch you are getting in that college or this branch in that college, definitely I will help you. You can comment in the comment section, I will help you. Okay, so these are like all the experiences which I have shared with you, me being electrical engineer. So like you take the name, electrical engineer is required there. Okay, and definitely in future more jobs will be there, definitely for electrical engineer. Okay, if you are ready to work hard, there is no need to worry about jobs for you. Many jobs are there for you. Okay, so I hope this video you will find helpful and it will clear most of your doubts. Compared to mechanical, civil, like chemical, I prefer electrical engineering. Okay, now that is your decision. If you can research, but personally I feel electrical engineering is safe branch if you are not clear, because in India problem is most of us are not clear what is our interest after 12th. So you want to play a safe game, you go for electrical engineer. Definitely there are many career options, definitely one of them you will like. Okay, so you can choose a branch. it's a very good branch. Okay, so if you have doubt, you can comment in the comment section. I will help you. So till that time, bye.